In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Google Cloud Console account, a process that might not be as straightforward as you expect. This task involves a few steps, but don't worry, I'm here to guide you through each one clearly and thoroughly. When we talk about deleting a Google Cloud account, what it really means is disabling or removing the projects and resources within the Google Cloud Platform, or GCP, and closing your billing account. Additionally, if you want a clean slate and prefer not to leave any trace of your digital footprint, you might consider deleting your entire Google account. However, it's important to note that Google doesn't offer a one-click delete option for billing accounts. You can only close them. If your account is associated with a Google organization, such as through Cloud Identity or Workspace, there might be further considerations to take into account. Let's start with closing the billing account. Begin by navigating to the billing section in your Google Cloud Console, then head over to Account Management. Here, you'll see the billing account you wish to close. By selecting it, you'll be provided with an option to Close Billing Account. Go ahead and click that, and then confirm the closure to finalize the process. Once your billing account is closed, any projects linked to it will no longer have billing enabled, meaning services that rely on an active billing account will cease to function. Bear in mind, if your account is under an invoiced or enterprise billing type, you might need a little extra help, as closing these accounts requires reaching out to Google Cloud support. Next, let's dive into deleting projects and resources. In the Cloud Console, you'll want to navigate to Manage Resources or Projects. For each project associated with your account, you'll need to methodically delete all resources. This includes virtual machines, storage, databases, and anything else tied to these projects. Only once you've ensured everything has been cleared out should you proceed to delete the project itself. Remember, deletion is permanent after a grace period, so be sure to back up or export any data you want to retain beforehand. Finally, if you decide to delete your entire Google account, you'll need to go to myaccount.google.com and open the Data and Privacy section. Scroll down until you find the option for Delete a Google service or your account. Here you can choose Delete your Google account and follow the instructions provided. Take note that this action will remove all your emails, files in Google Drive, YouTube activities, and more, so making backups of important data beforehand is crucial. By the end of these steps, you'll have successfully managed the shutdown of your Google Cloud Console account. Thank you for joining me, and I hope this guide has helped you understand and execute the process with ease.